There you are. Hi there. Hi there. Hello friends, this is round 32 of Star Hearts and Pineapples tablecloth. And before I begin to show how to make the stitches on this round, please note that this round is made up of triple crochets. The shells and half shells are made of triple crochet. So the shell is made up of 2 triple crochet, chain 2, and 2 triple crochet on the same space. And it is important because we are so used to now making double crochet shells, and this round is specific for making triple crochet. So to begin the round, slip a stitch on the next stitch 3, and do this, repeat the instruction 3 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the space and mark this beginning single crochet. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next space. And we are going to do these instructions inside this bracket 2 more times because we already done 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next space. That's 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next space. And so that is the pineapple loops that we just made. Then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then shell, which is made up of 2 triple crochet. Let's see. That's 1 triple crochet, 2, the second triple crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and 2 triple crochet on the same space to finish the triple crochet shell. So 1 shell is made. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and to make the half shell we triple crochet twice on the next space. So that's 1, 2. Then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then half shell again on the next space, which is made up of 2 triple crochets. That's 1 triple crochet, and that's the second. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and then make a triple crochet shell on top of the next shell. Then chain 4. There is a chain 4 between the shell and the pineapple loops. Two, 3, 4, and single crochet on the next chain 5 space of the pineapple. Then this single crochet, we are beginning the set of stitches that is going to be repeated. So this is the single crochet, then we make chain 5 on next chain 5 space and do it 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet in the next space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next space, and this is the second loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next space, and in chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and shell, triple crochet shell on the next shell, see my hand is still remembering that double crochet, and I keep catching myself trying to make a double crochet instead of a triple crochet. So you have to retrain your reflexes to do triple crochet instead of double crochet. So chain 5, 3, 4, 5. So this is the ending of the repeating stitches. So we will mark this. Chain 4 between the shell and the pineapple loops. So the round begins at the single crochet, the first single crochet on the pineapple loop, and ends with a chain 4 after the last shell of the round. And so we will repeat this from the single crochet to the chain 4 and repeat it all around and ends at the beginning single crochet. So after the last chain 4 of the round after the shell, then we slip stitch on the marked beginning single crochet to end the round. And so that's the end of round 32. And so I'll see you on the next round, and I thank you so much for watching and following my videos, and I appreciate your support and comments, and you don't know how much it helps me to know that you all are following this video tutorial. So thank you and have a nice day. Baby, baby, swinging with my baby. Swinging with my baby. Swinging with my baby. Yeah, yeah. Swing. Swinging with my baby. Yeah, yeah.